Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to sign up for Hostinger web hosting and buy your domain name at the same time. To visit Hostinger website, you can use my affiliate link, which is bensexperience.com/hostinger. Now, from the top menu, click on hosting or just hover on it and select web hosting for small to medium websites. Now click on this Start Now button to directly scroll down to Hostinger plans. As you can see, they offer the premium plan, business, and cloud startup. Personally, I will go with premium because it is enough for me. Why? Because I will get 100 websites, 100 gigabytes of storage, which is more than enough for me. I will also get free pre-built templates for their website builder. I will automatically get unlimited free SSL, free email, weekly backups, weekly automatic backups, and also the free domain. The only or the slight difference between the premium and the business plan is this 200 gigabytes instead of just 100 gigabytes. But the most important thing with this business plan storage, it is an NVMe, which is a little bit faster than the SSD. That is already fast enough for me. I will also get the free CDN. If you don't know, CDN is a technology that store copies or multiple copies of your website on different servers on different continents. This way, a visitor from the US will get files or your website files from a server that is closer to him. This way, you help your website become faster. So, click on Choose Plan. For the period, I will go with 1 year. Now click on Continue. Now you need to create your account with Hostinger. To do so, just fill in your email address here and your password, then click on this Continue button. Now I will fill in my billing address. For payment, I will go with my card instead of PayPal. Click on Submit Payment and wait a moment. Now my payment is done, so let's get started. Total amount paid. Hello, who is this website for? It is for myself. Yes, it is for myself. You can skip this question. I will answer it. Do you want to create or migrate a website? I will select to build it for me. I will go with create a website. How do you want to build your website? I will go with WordPress. For site language, I will go with English. This is my WordPress admin mail and this is my password. Click on next. Yes, I will save this. What type of website do you want to build? I want to build a blog, for example. Click on next. Let's go with this Hostinger theme, I think. Page layout. For the plugins, I will deselect all and only keep the Google Sitekit in order to easily connect my website to Google services like Google Analytics and Google Search Console. Click on next. I have a free domain name available that I can register for free. Let's look for benstutorial.com. As you can see, it is available. Let's select it. Now click on next. Here I need to fill in some information to register this domain name. Finish. I need to select. Click on finish registration and wait a moment. Where is your target audience located? Here, let's say I want to target in the US audience. I will select a server that is located near my website visitors in order to get faster loading speeds. Click on next. They are now installing WordPress for me. I was automatically logged into my new WordPress website, and as you see, I need to wait 24 hours until the domain is fully connected. They are now using a temporary or a preview domain. From my experience, when I register a new domain name with a new Hostinger web hosting account, it usually takes minutes up to an hour if it is not instantly connects my domain to my web hosting. So let's connect to each panel or to my account on Hostinger. Before I wrap this video, I want to verify if my domain name is fully connected to my web hosting account. And as you can see, when I visit benstutorial.com, the domain is automatically connected to my web hosting. So no waiting time. And this is how to sign up for Hostinger web hosting and buy your domain name at the same time. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.